Hey everybody, this is Natasha and thank you for checking out my channel. I want to let you know how easy it is and how minimal it is to print out my chip bag designs and create them at home without spending a bunch of money. I'm telling y'all, it's really simple, it's really easy, and I'm gonna go over some of the tools that I use to make these bags come alive. We have a blank piece of paper. It's not really blank, but it's a blank paper here, and we're going to take this blank paper and this with a few magic tricks to create this. This is a custom chip bag. Has all information on the back for the person that has it here, and this is a great way to really set off unique events, birthday parties, baby showers, something at your job. Kids are always having something at their school, and this is how you're going to be able to stand out from everybody else. So we're going to go ahead and get this out the way. And remember, this video is just about the tools that I use to make everything come together. If you're interested in knowing step-by-steps, please refer to my playlist and you will find a bunch of videos on party favors, Cricut, crafting, everything. So step one, paper. So once you purchase from me, whether it be the template or completely designed chip bag or Hershey bar wrapper or any party favor, you're going to need paper. And this is the paper that I use. It's HP Premium Presentation Paper, 120. It's a laser, it's glossy, and this is what I use. I have a few other papers that I like to use also, but I don't have it here with me. But HP brochure paper works just as well. But this I really like. You can get it from Staples. This week there were buy one get one free, and it only cost, I believe it was $17.99 or $21.99, one of the two. So it's very affordable, and you get 250 sheets. Brochure, HP brochure only comes in 150, and I don't mean only, but I've only seen it in 150. So step one, got to get your paper, and this is what I use. Then you have to have something to put your bags together with. It can either be your hot glue gun, double-sided tape, or let me grab it here. I love to use the tape, this tape runner or my tape gun over everything else. This here is from Staples, but they have them Michaels pretty much everywhere. And this glue gun is like $3 from Michaels. The stand does not come with it. Sorry about the mess. I'm working on chip bags, but you can pick up a stand from anywhere, which I think goes like this, which can help with the mess, because the hot glue can get really messy. So let me get this out the way. And since we're talking about adhesive, I'm just going to tell you what I do not use. Glue sticks, wet glue, spray glue is a no-no. I don't use it. So these are a no-no. I only use the hot glue gun or double-sided tape. That's it. The next thing is you're going to want to invest in a paper crimper. This is the one that I have. When I first invested in here, it was, I believe, $12 from Amazon, and I hate to tell you, I believe it's $30 now. And that's kind of what happens when items kind of spike and people rush out and buy them. The prices go up. So it's about $30 now, but you can find any paper crimper from anywhere. You can pretty much open it up. I never open mine, but you can open it, slide your paper in, close it, turn it on the sides, and that's if you choose to crimp the tops. I don't always do it. It depends on the design. Some designs do not require it. Another thing you want to keep on hand is a paper trimmer. Depending on, let me show you the bag. Depending on your style, you may want to trim this white at the top here. Obviously, you will want to trim it before you close it up. Sorry. you will want to trim it before you put everything together. So if you don't want the white, you would need a paper trimmer. And that brings us to my next tool that I love. Oops. When I am going to trim the top. It's pretty heavy. Hopefully I can get it in frame. This is my very professional style paper trimmer. Here it is. And I do apologize for the angle, but this is what I use. It's very heavy. And it has another piece that you clip onto the side, but this is like old school, but the best of the best. I also have this paper trimmer. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it. Let me get this out the way. I also have this one here, but it doesn't work as well. It does have a blade on it, and I don't use this one too often, but if someone gifts it to you or they're just trying to get rid of it, it will definitely work. Another paper trimmer that you could use, but I would not recommend for this type of project, is this. You could use it if you were only making a few bags. It does have the guard on it, so you will be able to line it up perfectly. But for large amounts of bags, you definitely don't use this because you can only cut like maybe 2 papers or 3 at a time. So I do not suggest using this if you have a large order. So let me go ahead and get that out the way. And I believe that is it. That's all you need. So let's go ahead and recap. You need paper, your crimper, the hot glue gun. Lift this up some. The double-sided tape. And that's all. And a paper trimmer if you choose to trim big. And of course, you need your snacks or whatever you want to add to it. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hopefully this is very informational and it helps you. If you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comments below. See you next time.